music sensation in Nashville, the only problem in his plan is a group of bullies. Parton said, quote, "I wanted kids to understand how harmful bullying can be to someone." The book comes out on April 25th. And moving to the big screen, many people took to Netflix over the Christmas holiday weekend to check out the new installment of the Knives Out murder mystery series, Glass Onion. And social media started arguing if one of the main suspects in the film was modeled after Tesla CEO Elon Musk. The character in question, played by Edward Norton, is a tech giant who raises eyebrows for being a self-stylized, quote, disruptor. While director and writer Ryan Johnson clears up the confusion, it's wired that it is all a horrible accident that the film came out after Musk's Twitter takeover, saying, quote, "There's a lot of stuff about that sort of species of tech billionaire that went directly into the movie, but obviously it has almost a weird relevance in exactly the current moment." And that's what's trending. I'm Anna Eliopoulos.
And I'm John Saucier in this current moment with you, talking about the Mega Millions jackpot. It's still growing. There's another drawing for tonight. Here's Fox's Tanya J. Powers with more.
Tonight's Mega Millions drawing will be the last one of 2022, and it's a history-making whopper after no winner was drawn on Tuesday. $140 million, making it by far the largest Mega Millions prize ever in the final week of any year. The Mega Millions jackpot has only been $600 million just 5 other times in the more than 20-year history of the drawing. The jackpot is growing since October 14th, and if there's a winner tonight, it could give someone a very happy new year. Tanya J. Powers, Fox News.
As that snow started to fall during western New York's Christmas weekend blizzard, a Buffalo barbershop was up and running. They had electricity, heat, and Wi-Fi. Craig Elson sheltered as many as people in his barbershop, CNC cuts, right at the height of the storm.
If you out there for 2 minutes, your beard will feel like it's frozen, your lips will feel frozen, your ears will feel frozen. This is the worst thing in my 37 years of living that I've ever experienced as far as the winter.
So what did he do? Did he cry about it? No, he was stranded by the 5 feet of snow in that storm. Janacine, put this man on the Dean's list, please. Oh, South Koreans got quite a scare. Thinking the North launched a missile or worse, a UFO. Turns out it was a South Korean rocket launch this morning that was just unannounced. The Defense Ministry saying today in a statement the rocket launch is part of its efforts to build a space-based surveillance capability and bolster its defense posture. It said it didn't notify the general public of the launch in advance because it involved sensitive military security issues. The South Korean rocket came 4 days after the South accused the North of flying 5 drones across the rival's border. They actually scrambled some jets when that happened. Ashley?
I'm Ashley Dvorkin with a Fox profile with Call Me Cat star Mayim Bialik. Bialik stars on the TV show, also hosts Jeopardy, and hosts a podcast all about mental health, Bialik Breakdown.
I would like to argue that talking about mental health challenges is one of the best things we can start to do, as a society, as a culture, and yes, as individuals. I've been in therapy life, and I kind of feel the way about, mental health support as I do about religion and faith. If you wait until things are terrible to try and have a relationship with something that can be supportive, you have to learn that vocabulary and that language really, really quickly.
Musician Jewel was recently a guest on the show and got Mayim involved in the Not Alone Challenge through her Inspiring Children Foundation.
She's basically asking people to speak up about what they have, what they've been diagnosed with, or what their challenges are. And she literally said to me, just pick, because I know you have more than one. I said, yeah, you've obviously listened to my podcast.
Ashley Dvorkin, Fox News.
All right, Ashley, thanks for that. We'll do Fox Weather next. Amy Freeze is standing by in the Fox Weather Center with that New Year's Eve forecast. So get out your champagne and maybe even your umbrellas. This is Fox News Headlines 24/7, live on Sirius XM 115.
Precise, personal, powerful is America's. Subscribe and listen now at foxnewspodcasts.com or wherever you get your podcasts.
Let's face it, talking about insurance is never easy, but after a close friend lose her husband with no insurance, that wasn't going to happen to our family.
Yeah, but shopping for life insurance can be almost as difficult as talking about it.
But then we heard about Ethos Life Insurance. They're a new kind of life insurance, built for people on a busy schedule who don't have time for unnecessary doctor's visits, fine print, or hidden fees. Who want to keep it simple.
I can believe how We answered a few basic questions, and within minutes, we had an estimate of what it would cost and what sort of policy made sense for us.
I never imagined a life insurance could be so affordable.
And accessible.
The peace of mind knowing that our future year around getting older and...
Yeah, the unexpected.
I'm glad we talked about it.
I'm glad we went with ethoslife.com.
Go to ethoslife.com now for your estimate. That's ETHOSlife.com. ETHOSlife.com.
Fox Weather.
I'm meteorologist Amy Freeze in America's Weather Center. A warm spell is today for 260 million Americans. High temperatures as much as 20 degrees above average. Sounds pleasant, right? But the mild could turn messy, especially for New Year's holiday travel. Storms from Indiana to Louisiana today push east. They have rainfall rates of up to an inch per gets the storms tonight, and that same storm has bad timing for the East Coast. By the ball drop, rain overspreads the I-95 corridor, and these showers make for a sloppy celebration. Out west, it's also wet, a real soaker underway for California. Rain coming down for 36 hours straight. As much as 6 inches could fall from San Francisco to LA before Monday. And the storm is also dumping a load of snow across the Sierra Nevada mountains. They could get up to 6 feet. The Rockies are collecting fresh powder and ski resorts from Utah to Colorado. Have a safe holiday. Get weather updates on the Fox Weather app or go to foxweather.com.
Amy, thanks.